Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make No Man's Sky run better on your PC. First, dive into the in-game graphics settings. Adjusting these can provide significant performance gains. A key step is lowering resolution scaling, which can drastically improve your frame rates. Also, reducing shadow quality and reflection detail will lead to much smoother gameplay, especially in busy areas. These initial tweaks are crucial for a noticeable boost in performance. Next, let's fine-tune some more specific visual settings for speed. Consider disabling or reducing ambient occlusion and volumetric effects, as these can be quite demanding. If your graphics card supports it, definitely utilize technologies like DLSS or FSR for excellent upscaling and performance. Finally, turning off motion blur and depth of field not only improves clarity, but also contributes to better overall performance, making your journey through the galaxy much more enjoyable. Beyond in-game settings, system and driver essentials play a vital role. Always ensure your graphics card drivers are completely up to date. Outdated drivers can severely hinder performance. Before launching the game, close all unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. For faster loading times and smoother asset streaming, installing No Man's Sky on a solid-state drive, or SSD, is highly recommended. These steps ensure your system is ready for optimal gameplay. For advanced users, tweaking the game's configuration file can offer further improvements. Locate the TK graphics settings, MXML file, usually found in your game's binary settings folder, and make a backup before editing. You can adjust num high threads and num low threads to better utilize your CPU's cores, potentially reducing stutter. Additionally, enabling Texture Streaming X can lead to improved texture loading. Experiment carefully with these settings to find what works best for your specific setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.